Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix cellular option not showing on iPhone issue. To solve this, first of all, you have to launch settings on your device. Then scroll down, there you'll see general option, tap on it. From here, go through the software update and check if any updates is available in your device or not. If there are any updates available, then simply tap on the update button and update your software to the latest version. The next thing you need to check is simply go through the date and time under general and make sure that set automatically is toggled on. Then again go back to the general and go through VPN and device management. Here you need to make sure that no VPN is connected to your device. Once you check all of this, check if your cellular option is showing or not. If it is still not showing, then go back to the settings home page. From here, scroll down until you find out screen time. Once you go under screen time, there you will find out content and privacy restriction. Once you go to the content and privacy restriction, toggle off content and privacy restriction available there. For that, you need to enter your passcode. Then again go back to the settings home page and check if cellular option is showing or not. If your problem is still not solved, then you have to reset your network settings. For that, go to the general and scroll down to the last. Here you will see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. Then tap on reset option. There you'll find out 6 options. Among them, choose reset network settings. You have to enter your passcode, then your device will restart and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.